Hello everyone, Tynker is back with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First up we have Parkour Prison Breakout by master creator Magma boss. In this code, we see some one arrow pressed for character movement, and when actor collides for the hearts and coins that you collect, and some handle blocks for the bad guys. Break out of this prison and defeat your enemies trying to stop you. Next, we have Maze Project by I Am King. In King's code, we can see some when touching occurs blocks for the tokens, some repeat blocks, and some switch to costume blocks as well. Navigate through the maze and collect the correct tokens to advance. And here we have Core Quest by Super Crazy Boy. In the code, we see when I receive blocks, broadcast blocks, with some switch to costume and repeat blocks too. Follow the compass, talk to people, and complete your quest. Lastly, we have Codey in the Clouds by Shadow Ninja. Looking at the code, we see when actor collides blocks, when arrow press blocks, and some when I receive blocks when collecting coins. Run through the clouds as Codey and attack the foes. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can code awesome projects like this on Tynker. See you next time.